out the inside. What's in the box? Stay open. Discs, many. We got. Okay, we'll get bigger and bigger as we go. Springboard, the newsroom. And clip art collection. I'll do a video on all these things separate, see what they are. That's cool. What's this? It's a ribbon for the printer. That's a cool one. We got a tape data set, more discs. This is Commodore demo diskette. Grand Prix blockout. MDCD X copy. Football. Sports cards. Hardball. Oh my goodness, this is search and destroy. Oh joy, oh joy. This is fun. Okay, let's put these over here. User guide 1541 disk drive. I don't know what to do here. The data set's real dirty. Look at, I cleaned that. So the one I got here is pretty clean. That's my breadboard. The bread bin. Oh, many controllers. Yes, it must look. No wait, is that a game? Data East, Batman, Caped Crusader. Joystick required, of course. Look at this. Super. Look at the back. Oh my gosh, those are nice. You got master types filer, home list manager. It looks like they need it. Okay. 8 to adult Atari Commodore. Let's dig into the good stuff down here. Let's see. Home manager. Again, 3 programs on 1 disk. Robot Rascals. What does that say? A new kind of scavenger hunt with a touch of mischief. I'm trying to read in my phone. Electronic Arts. Yeah. Nice. Sertron. What's that? Oh, it's just a disc holder. Geos, Quantum Leap. Okay. 4th and inches accolade. Football. Accolade. It got a VIC 20. Personal computing on the VIC 20. And another bunch of discs, probably for sure, right? Yep. Clip art. Oh yeah, have to do a separate video just on controllers. Look at that. Holy. If they ever like to, oh, look at that. There's what I need. If you want one of these. Fast load cartridge. Disc doubler. Nice. Commodore 64C. Adventure construction set. Oh, this guy got everything. GEOS work disk. We got the programmer's reference guide, user guide for the printer. There it is. It's not as big as I thought it would be. Dirty drive, 1541, brown finish, fairly brown. He said the other one matches the C64C. Is that coming through? But of course. Sweet. That's it. That's the unboxing, and there we go. Okay. Hooked the audio video up to a TV that I know displays Commodore. So here it goes. There it is.